Hi, I'm Chrissy Alama, coming to you from BB3 Personal Training Center in Weston, Florida. And we were asked, how do you use free weights while on an exercise bicycle? Well, I'm going to show you. You grab your free weights, and you go ahead and hop on your bike, set appropriately for your height. And if you were to use free weights on an exercise bicycle, you would go ahead and pedal and lift like so. However, honestly, I don't recommend this exercise. It's a safety issue. You could lose your balance, and you're at the gym to be better. If you hurt yourself, you're not going to get closer to your goal. So, if you are wanting to train your upper body and, get a bicycle workout in at the same time, I recommend cycling. 30 seconds, maximum effort. Put it all you got. Hop off the bike, grab your free weights, and then you're going to hit an arm circuit. You're going to go 10 lateral raises for the shoulders. You're going to go 10 bicep curls. Then go ahead and bend over flat back and hit some tricep kickbacks. So 10, 10, and 10, no rest. Hop back on this bike. Maximum effort, 30 seconds, no rest. Come right here and hit your arm circuit again. So we're going lateral raises for 10, bicep curls for 10, tricep kickbacks for 10. No rest, hop back on. About 20 minutes of your cardio circuit, and you got a good workout in. I'm Chrissy Alama. Thanks for watching.